Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Wednesday the 4th of December. Looking at dollar yen, and what we have seen is a bit of a turnaround in the last few minutes. We've seen that suggestions are that there is traction in this trade dispute, and that has seen dollar yen ticking higher from 108.40 and adding sort of 35-40 pips on top of that in the last few minutes. You can see that the impact of that through the chart on the hourly here. Big move higher. Now we've been sort of discussing in our morning report the fact that this uptrend continues to be broken over recent weeks. Originally I had the uptrend around about this point. It then got broken on this candle here, so we then sort of moved it out slightly, gave it the benefit of the doubt of the break, and then it started to break down again. You thought, oh, okay, well, and again we sort of moved it out, but once more we've seen another downside break. So this uptrend continually being shallowed, and that just would suggest that the bulls are not as strong as perhaps they could be in this outlook. You've still got a positive configuration. I mean, look at the hourly, so look at the daily MACD above neutral, the RSI holding again in the mid 40s and turning up if this rebound on dollar yen is to be believed today. However, time and time again we've seen this breakout just dissipating, rolling over, failing underneath 109 big figure again. We saw yesterday 109 figure starting to come back in as sort of the basis of resistance again, and on this hourly chart you can see that sort of rolling over again at 109.20. You've got 109 figure, the old historic level of breakout, so again that's a basis of resistance, and it's just the constant disappointment that we get in moves on dollar yen at the moment. And actually if you sort of cut in, let's just really zoom in here, if you zoom in to this sort of level, then you'd say that's a range play, isn't it? So you're not really seeing too much direction actually across the course of what is almost coming up to 2 months now. So it is interesting that you do continue to see the market just trying to edge higher, but again the failure to break out is a real concern, and the bulls would certainly argue that you're still posting higher lows, a succession of higher lows, and 108.25 is now the latest high low to be intact, and 108.40 yesterday, this morning's low just a few minutes ago could well now start to become a new basis of support. But just the fact that the uptrend continues to shallow out just suggests that the upside moves are just not really cutting it now. So it'll be interesting to see how this one develops, but I'm just really a bit aghast as to how this one's going to move. You need to see a decisive move through this trade dispute for phase one to really see, I think, traction. And it'll be interesting to see if that does actually happen in December, but I'm not convinced. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.